The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Odessa Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was spotted over southeastern Odessa moving west at 13 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging winds at 59 mph and quarter-sized hail. For safety, get to the lowest point in your home. If you're outdoors, get inside a well-protected building. Repeat, a severe thunderstorm was spotted over southeastern Odessa moving west at 13 miles per hour. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Garrettondale, Midland, and western Odessa. At 3:14 p.m. a severe thunderstorm was spotted over southeastern Odessa moving west at 13 miles per hour, but at this time the storm was spotted not moving but expanding significantly larger in all directions. Hazards, damaging winds up to 70 miles per hour could knock down large trees. Baseball-sized hail is possible. Repeat, a severe thunderstorm was tracked expanding in all directions at a significantly high speed. For safety, get to the lowest point of a building. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Midland, Odessa, Lubbock, and Dell City. At 4:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was tracked expanding over Odessa, Midland, Lubbock, and Guadalupe Mountains National Park. The storm has gotten very large ever since at a distance of 172 miles in all directions. Hazards. Winds up to 90 miles per hour could form G2 tornadoes. Soccer ball-sized hail is possible source. Radar indicated at this time. People are advised to head to a basement if possible. Take a battery-powered radio with you and medical supplies.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following: El Paso, Horizon City, Sunland Park, Odessa, and Midland. At 6:43 p.m. a severe thunderstorm was tracked and expanding at an alarming rate at 45 miles per hour. 5 tornadoes were forming throughout the area stated. Hazards. Winds up to 123 miles per hour could damage mobile homes, knock down trees, and cause power outages. Source. Radar indicated. Get to the lowest point of your home and gather food, water, and supplies to support your needs. The National Weather Service has issued a civil danger alert for western half of Texas, southeastern New Mexico, and northern Chihuahua, Mexico. At 7:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was tracked expanding for multiple tornadoes and heavy rainfall. Hazards. Basketball-sized hail. Winds up to 167 miles per hour could cause power outages. Heavy damaging to mobile homes, and trees knocked down. Source. Radar indicated. For your safety, get to the lowest point of your home and stay away from windows as will most likely get blown out. There are no signs of the storm shrinking or slowing down in expansion. The National Weather Service has issued a civil danger warning for all of Texas. At 8:34 p.m. a severe thunderstorm was expanding at 50 miles per hour in all directions. This storm is known as the Texan superstorm as it will cover all of Texas. Winds are up 256 miles per hour, computer-sized hail, and flooding as high as 6 feet. Radars have indicated that there are 29 tornadoes in the area of the storm. For your safety, do not hide in your home as it will probably be destroyed. Instead, evacuate to states that will be unaffected by the storm. All air traffic will be stopped, so you have to proceed by driving. The National Weather Service has issued a civil danger warning for all of Texas. At 9:45 p.m., an extremely dangerous thunderstorm was covering all of Texas. People are heavily advised to evacuate their homes immediately. Take blankets, a battery-powered radio, a cell phone, and food, water, and medical supplies. Winds have broken the record of 476 miles per hour. This will wipe out mobile homes, tear apart brick houses. An extremely large tornado was spotted over Mile, Texas high and is 5 miles wide. Hail sizes are up to 72 inches, which will heavily damage vehicles. Flooding is up to 10 feet tall, and will submerge homes. The National Weather Service has stated that you can now go back to your homes if you have one. There is nothing left, just debris. This could possibly take 20 years to clean all of the debris. If your home did not survive, you will be escorted to a new home that hasn't been affected.